Every client that comes to Home Equity Legal Protection is given individual attention. What we try and do with clients is to see every one of them in their homes. So whatever the problems are, we can discuss it with you on a face-to-face basis. A lot of companies try and do this on the phone. Yes, if you don't want to see us, that's fine, we will do it on the phone. But if you do want to see us, we will be there and we will come and see you and come and help you. At Home Equity Legal Protection, what we're trying to do is to give homeowners the opportunity to look after their homes, their families, as well as their debts. The most important thing for people is family, and that's obviously why we consider life protection as important. But the next thing should be your home. That is where you live, and that should be protected. And as I've said before, on a number of occasions, the equity in your property, when you enter into debt management or an IVA, the equity is not protected. This doesn't mean that we're trying to avoid you paying your debts. It means we're trying to protect your equity when you can afford to repay the debts. There is a subtle difference. There is one way we cannot help you, is if you make yourself bankrupt. In other words, you think the product is here to protect your equity and therefore you can go bankrupt. The bankruptcy will, and we will allow it to be overturned. We're not in this industry to help you avoid paying your debts. We're in this industry to make sure that you pay the debts in a controlled basis when you can afford it and when creditors don't insist that you pay it. There are a lot of companies out there that offer debt management services, and most of them are ethical and they will give you good advice. There are choices, and there are plenty of choices, perhaps too many. There are fee-paying companies and there are non-fee paying companies. That doesn't mean one is better than the other. You must look at who owns the company and what their ethics are. Fee-paying companies are just charging a fee for a good service. If they charge you a fee, it's because they've got a lot of work to do and they deserve the fee. A majority of fee-paying companies do charge a fee with the agreement of the creditors. This is not unreasonable, and this is how the industry should be. A number of companies that are non-fee paying companies are owned by creditors, and believe me, in comparison, you will pay more to your creditors over a shorter period of time than you will do to a fee paying company. Before you decide which company to go with, just please give us a call. Whether you're a homeowner or not, it's worth taking our advice, because we will give you honest to goodness advice.